Hi guys, okay, today what I'm going to be showing you how to make are offering balls or feeding balls for birds. And what you need is some seed, bird seed. You need these kind of netting that you get from orange boxes, like boxes of fruit, oranges, or they have these kind of styrofoamy things that they wrap fruits in, certain kinds of fruits, netting sometimes for potatoes or onions. And then you need some kind of shortening, lard or vegetable. You can also use leftover grease, a little bit from bacon or pork or peanut butter. And then you need a non-stick pan and a wooden spoon. Okay, so we've got a block here of lard, and I'm just going to use about a quarter of it. And actually, I'm actually going to cut that in half again. Now, it's actually softened due to the heat. I left it out. So I'm going to not even use the frying pan for this one. So let me just get set up and I'll show you. Okay, I've got this Tupperware dish here set up with some bird seed. I've got the lard in chunks. What I'm going to do is just take out one little block here of lard, and I'm going to begin to roll it in the seed. Now I'm gonna mush it a lot more and keep mushing in and sort of adding as much seed here as I can, because you don't want it to be all lard. Okay, I'm going to keep rolling this and then I'll cut back as soon as this part is done. Okay, as you can see, this is a nice big ball here. And it's just lard and seed. And I've taken this netting off a orange container. I put the ball in the center of this netting, and I've got some ribbon, and let's see here, I'm just going to form a little ball. Yeah, actually I think that'll be fine. I don't know if you can see this, but anyways. So I'm going to thread it through just so it doesn't come out. So I'm threading the ribbon now. I've cut it. Okay, so the ribbon got cut. So threading it through here. And okay, now this is just kind of messy. Okay, so now I'm going to take the ribbon and go around. A few times. Tie it. Because the birds will be picking at it. Okay, so what you've got here is a nice packaged ball of bird food, a nice offering, and there are holes in it so that the birds can pick at it. And I'm just going to go outside and string it up and show you what it looks like from there. So here it is installed, just in the trees. I changed up the designs a bit. I put sticks in there so they have somewhere to perch, because I noticed there weren't any coming around. There's another one I made out of styrofoam.